Hi, welcome everyone. I'd love to introduce to you Dianne Schaver. Dianne is a shaman. She's a channeler. She does spiritual guide work, and she also teaches classes. She works with people one-on-one, and she also does group events. As a shaman today, she's going to lead us through this amazing guided meditation so that we can connect with nature. So without further ado, I would like to introduce you to Dianne.
Well, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today, whenever this is for you. We'll start by if you could just go ahead and close your eyes and relax your body. And go ahead and just take a deep breath in and release that. One more deep breath in. And relax. Blow that out. Imagine first the shower of white light. As if you were in the shower, just allow that white light to wash over you and wash away the day, the to-do lists, and any thoughts that you hold in your mind. Just allow that to all be washed away and be present completely here today. I'd like everyone to just have a picture in their mind of some place in nature that they've been that they've really enjoyed. Picture a meadow, forest, a park, wherever that may be for you. See yourself there as your consciousness begin to walk through this special place for you. Feel yourself just relaxing and breathing in the fresh, clean air. Letting go of all worries, all thoughts, and just be present here as an energy. As you walk forward in your place, in your special place, see up ahead a place that has a hill. And as you walk forward, you walk down this hill. And as you lower yourself down this hill, it's as if you're entering into the earth itself. Just feeling yourself relax even further as you become one with earth, with nature. Feeling yourself drop further and further, more relaxed. And at the bottom of this hill, you see before you a stream. It's flowing very smoothly and easily, and you can hear the trickle of the water. And as if the trickle is calling to you, you walk closer to get a better view of this beautiful little stream just flowing beside the path. There's a log here. You can find yourself. It's almost like a little seat, almost like a bench. And sitting on this log, you begin to watch the water, almost more mesmerizing than the walk here itself. There's a few rocks in the water. And as the water washes over these little rocks, you can imagine it water washing over any troubles that you have, any concerns, anything that's worrying you, any physical imbalance, any emotional concerns. Feel the water as if you were the rock just washing over you, allowing the energy just to transmute from you and flow into the water and down the stream. The water just keeps running over you, and you can just feel more and more energy releasing from you. It's almost as if it's actually releasing tension from your physical body as well. And as the water washes over you, you notice there's a songbird, a few of them actually, and the birds above, and the trees above. And they're like singing to you. But in their song, in their little bird song, it is as if they're almost saying, everything's going to be okay. We are here with you. And our song calms your energy even more. We do not realize oftentimes that the song of the birds that sing above us are often frequencies that our body needs to align it to optimum health, or to help us understand something in its own language. So next time you hear that bird singing or collection, you'll know they're telling you just to relax and everything's okay. While the birds are singing, we also hear another little noise off to the side. The leaves are being scrunched up by a little animal, and we look up and we also see a couple little squirrels there, playful and joyful in their little play as they just chase each other a little bit and having fun. Their message to us today is to don't forget to enjoy the journey that we're here on. We often get wrapped up in all the to-do lists and what we must do, and we don't take this time to take a breath and play, to once again feel that childlike wonder that many of us have forgotten. So next time you see the little squirrel, we'll remember that, to maybe find a little fun in our day with an ice cream cone or perhaps a swing at the playground, to be that child once again and have fun. Nature is all around us and reminding us that life does not have to be so complicated. It can be simple and easy as long as we see it that way. This has been such a joyous little area here by the stream. We feel guided to go just a little bit deeper into the forest. So we invite the birds to join us and the squirrel. We get up from our little bench, our little log, and walk a little bit deeper into the forest. And as we walk, our pace is just very slow and easy. And we see that there's so many different types of trees. And seeing them all, we accept them for all their individuality, how they all look so different. Some of them have weird knots on them, and some of the trees are supporting the other trees as if one had fallen and the other one caught it. As we walk, we realize this is much so like life. As we walk along, we see other people, and just allowing them to be them, as we now allow the trees to be trees. And with this, so many of our concerns just wash away, stepping back and recognizing the simplicity that can flow if we just allow it. The forest is so much cooler. You can feel the temperature. A few degrees colder, of course, than when we sat in the log. The trees we see are reaching up toward the heavens, the sky above. We also have the roots of the trees going deep down into the earth. The energy of the tree reaches up and the energy of the trees reach down. And that's similar to ours, our energy. We can reach up to connect with spirit or crossed over loved ones. And we can ground deep into the earth with the energy beneath our feet. We often do forget we're just energy bodies as well, just like the trees and the squirrels and the birds. Simply energy floating through this beautiful forest. And up ahead, within the very forest, we see another little opening full of sun rays. We walk toward this place and exit the forest into the clearing as the sun hits us and we feel the warmth. And if there's any ounce of tension left within us, that sun just washes it away. And the sun is saying to us, I am here to brighten your day, just as you brighten the day of many others. And that's always good to know, for as the sun smiles upon us, we too can smile and say hello to others on our path. It is here within the sun that we're reminded that we are all just one. Just as the trees in the forest share common roots, all of us share common roots as well. And being kind to ourselves and to others is oftentimes the answer to so many things. So we take a deep breath in. We can just receive all of the calming energy that nature shares with us all the time. And as in shamanic culture, we thank the energy back. And in our hands, we instantly see a little pouch of tobacco, which in Indian culture is just an exchange. We have received much from nature today, so we take a little bit of that tobacco in our hand and we spread it around here in this clearing. And we thank the land and nature for the positive energy she has shared with us today. And we smile. Knowing our day is to be continued, we put the pouch back into our pocket. One last bow of thanks to nature as we turn and walk back toward the forest. With a smile on our face and feeling much lighter in all areas of us, in the physical body, the mental, and the emotional. We walk past the log that we'd sat and ascend that little hill that we had dropped from our special place as we walk back up. And as we find ourselves back into our special park, forest, or wherever it was that we left, we find ourselves there once again, feeling refreshed, with a smile on our face, and knowing we can return here whenever we want, for a moment, for a few minutes, or for a little longer, however we need. Nature's always here for us. As you come back, just take a deep breath once again. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes and feel yourself back into your body. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes and join us once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I feel like I've just been rejuvenated. You look brighter. So thank you for adjusting my eyes.
Well, thank you so much. I always let spirit guide me, and that's not what I had thought, but I was glad they did. It was just a very calming energy, very calming journey for me as well. So thank you.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much, Diane. I so appreciate it.
You're very
So
welcome.
if someone wants to reach out to you, Diane, how can they find you? How can they reach you?
And they can find me at Sacred Light Integrations with an S, .com, sacredlightintegrations.com. And if they would like to email me, they can just email me at Dianne, Dianne, at sacredlightintegrations.com. So
Awesome.
it'd be great to hear from anyone, just even a hello.
Great. Well, thank you so much. I won't
Yeah.
keep you, but I so appreciated what you shared with us today. And with that, I'll bid you adieu
I
and
do.
namaste.
Namaste.